Hello students, today we will start with our second unit, BA second year Indian political thinker. We will start with third chapter, Dadabhai Naroji. Dadabhai Naroji was known as the grand old man of India. Uh, Patabi Sitaramaiah said a very beautiful statement on Dadabhai Naroji that Dadabhai Naroji took Congress through the whole government of revolution from the humble grievance to that of National Assembly, working for a definite object of attaining Swaraj. So Dadabhai Naroji was, as I said, aware Indians towards political and economic freedom. He was the founder of a famous political institution, National Congress Party. He gave a very famous drain of wealth theory, which will be discussed about the mid of the video. He is also the first Indian to be a British MP and also used Swaraj word in 1906 of the conference of Indian Congress. So he did a lot thing for Indian political movement and to aware Indian people. Now I would like to share some more historical events which will show something new about Dadabhai Naoroji. He was born in 14th September 1825 in Bombay in a Parsi family. He belongs to a very poor family, but because of his father's hard work, he got admission in Elephantine Institution. That was a very famous education institution in Bombay. Especially Bal Gangadhar Shastri helps him a lot to complete his education. Then he married at the age of 11 with Gulbai. Dadabhai Naoroji established so many social and political organization, especially Bombay Association, and there are more many association which will be discussed. He also worked in a Karma company in 1856. After that, after 3 years, he started his own company, Naroji and Company. In 1863, he started monthly newspaper Rast Goftar, which is very important for you, for especially for the multi choice questions, 2 marks question. Rast Goftar was a Anglo-Gujarati newspaper. It was specially meant to enlighten the Parsi community. He also worked as a diwan in minister in Brodha Riyasat in 1874. In 1855, after completing the education, he started teaching mathematics and philosophy in Elephantine School. This was the point I missed actually, so I am sharing it right now. Now London Indian Society is very important association which he established in 1965-66. East Indian Association is another important organization which he established in 1967. Both are established to tell British people in Indian to tell British people Indian perspective and Asian racial ethological logics, because Britishers think that Indian are not a pure race. They can't be entitled themselves. So the pure race is European. They have to come forward and teach the Asian races. So this is a very disappointing fact about the European. So he tried to come out with the fact with these two institutions, that how can we can change perspective of British people. Now in 1885 he was the member of Bombay Legislature Assembly. In 1985 he works for Royal Commission. So here I discussed a sequence of his deeds in his life history. That's all for this session. We will discuss in another video. So stay home, be healthy. Thank you.